Ever felt like your spare change was just disappearing? Like, you know you should be saving and investing, but life gets in the way, and those tiny amounts never seem to add up to anything substantial? You've probably heard of Acorns, right? The app that promises to round up your purchases and invest the difference. It's a solid idea, and it's helped a lot of people dip their toes into investing. But what if I told you there might be something better? Something that goes beyond just rounding up, something that offers more control, more options, and potentially more growth? We're not talking about some shady, get-rich-quick scheme. We're talking about exploring the landscape of micro-investing and seeing if there's a platform that can truly elevate your financial journey. Let's be real, Acorns is a great starting point. It simplifies investing for beginners, and that's invaluable. But as you become more financially savvy, you might start to feel a bit limited. The pre-built portfolios, the limited stock options, the fees that can eat into your returns, especially if you're working with smaller balances. So, the burning question, is there something better than Acorns? The answer, as with most things in finance, is it depends. It depends on your goals, your risk tolerance, and your level of involvement in your investments. But let's dive into some alternatives and explore what they offer. First, let's talk about the concept of fractional shares. Acorns popularized this, but it's not exclusive to them. Many brokers now offer fractional shares, allowing you to invest in high-priced stocks with just a few dollars. This opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to build a diverse portfolio with even a small starting amount. Now, let's look at platforms that offer more control. Robinhood, for example, allows you to trade individual stocks, ETFs, and even options, all commission-free. While this level of control can be intimidating for beginners, it allows for a more personalized investment strategy. You're not limited to pre-built portfolios. You can choose the companies you believe in, the sectors you want to invest in, and tailor your portfolio to your specific financial goals. Then there's M1 Finance, which combines the ease of automated investing with the flexibility of individual stock selection. It uses a pie system, where you allocate percentages to different stocks and ETFs, and the platform automatically balances your portfolio. This offers a middle ground between the hands-off approach of Acorns and the full control of Robinhood. You get the convenience of automation with the ability to customize your investment mix. Let's not forget about platforms that focus on specific investment goals. Stash, for instance, offers a curated selection of investments based on your interests and values. You can invest in companies that align with your ethical beliefs or industries you're passionate about. It's a more personalized approach that goes beyond simply rounding up your purchases. And then we have platforms that delve deeper into wealth management. Betterment and Wealthfront are robo-advisors that offer sophisticated portfolio management, tax loss harvesting, and financial planning tools. They're designed for long-term investors looking for a more comprehensive approach to wealth building. While they might have higher minimum balances or fees compared to Acorns, they offer a level of service that Acorns doesn't. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, fees. Acorns has a tiered subscription model, and while it's affordable for many, those fees can eat into your returns, especially if you're starting with a small balance. Many of the platforms we've discussed offer commission-free trading or lower fee structures. It's crucial to compare fees and understand how they impact your overall returns. But it's not just about fees and features. It's also about user experience and educational resources. Acorns excels at simplifying investing for beginners, but other platforms are catching up. Many offer intuitive interfaces, educational articles, and even webinars to help you become a more informed investor. So, who's better than Acorns? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If you're a complete beginner looking for a simple way to start investing, Acorns is still a great option. But if you're looking for more control, more options, or more sophisticated wealth management tools, there are definitely alternatives worth exploring. Think of it this way, Acorns is like your training wheels. It gets you started, helps you build the habit of investing, and introduces you to the world of fractional shares. But as you become more confident and knowledgeable, you might want to upgrade to a more advanced bike. Consider your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? Or simply trying to build wealth over the long term? The platform you choose should align with your specific objectives. Consider your risk tolerance. Are you comfortable with more volatility in your portfolio for the potential of higher returns? Or do you prefer a more conservative approach? Consider your level of involvement. Do you want a hands-off approach where the platform handles everything? Or do you want to actively manage your investments? And consider your budget. How much are you willing to invest, and how much are you willing to pay in fees? Don't be afraid to experiment. Many platforms offer free trials or demo accounts, allowing you to try them out before committing. Do your research, compare features, and choose the platform that best suits your needs. Ultimately, the best platform is the one that empowers you to achieve your financial goals. It's about finding a platform that you're comfortable with, that you understand, and that you can stick with for the long haul. The landscape of micro-investing is constantly evolving, with new platforms and features emerging all the time. Stay informed, stay curious, and never stop learning about how to make your money work for you. Don't just settle for what's familiar. Explore your options and find the platform that truly resonates with your financial aspirations. Remember, your financial journey is unique, and you deserve a platform that supports your individual needs and goals. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building good habits, staying consistent, and making informed decisions. And while Acorns might be a great starting point, it's essential to understand that there are other options out there that might be a better fit for you in the long run. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek advice, and challenge the status quo. Your financial future is in your hands, and you have the power to choose the platform that will help you achieve your dreams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.